Hello guys, welcome to my channel Blender Bliss. In this video, we are going to see how to create an object in Blender using an image file which we can be downloaded from Google or anything. So let's go into the video. First, I'm deleting this default cube which is available in the workspace. Next, I'm going to click on the add command, drag to image option and click on the reference. I'm selecting this chess pawn icon. So for this tutorial, I'm using a chess icon to show how to create an object using this PNG image. This is just a normal 2D image which I have downloaded from Google. I'm just make align of this image first in x-axis to be as 90, y as 0 and z as 0. So now you can able to see the image is being aligned in a rotational angle directly towards the front view. So if it is in some other views, you can place number pad 1 button to get front view. Here you can able to see the image which is very clear. But the image is not exactly on the origin point. I want this base of this chess coin to be on the origin point. So I'm just selecting this image. I'm dragging in Z direction. To drag in Z direction, I press G command and Z command so that I can able to drag this image directly on the Z direction and there won't be any changes in X and Y. So I have placed this edge of the image exactly on the origin as we can see here. Now we are going to create a curve around this outline of this image to get the same object in Blender. So to create a curve, I'm going to click add option. I'm selecting the path curve from curve command. Once you selected the path curve, here you can able to see a straight line which is uh, generated here. So I'll just click on G and Z to lift this line to the top of the coin, and I select tab button, or else you can switch to edit mode by click on the drop down. So here once you click on the edit mode, for this path curve you can able to see 5 vertices. By default it will be generated in Blender. I'm going to delete 4 vertices from this, and I'm going to keep only 1 vertices. So now I'm selecting this one vertices, click on G, and I'm moving it in X direction, and I'm placing at the top of the chess coin which I got the image. So likewise, please make sure that your curve and the images always lies on the 0 plane, 0 command. This is because if there is any offset of the curve from the origin point, then the output won't be as required. Now we are going to create a curve for this image. I'm just selecting this first point, click on E button. So it will give an extrude feature. I'm selecting the next point. I have created a curve. Once again, I select this second point, click on E button, which will get extrude, and I'm selecting the next curve. I'm selecting the next curve, next curve, next curve, like this. So I'm just making an outline of this image using this command E and the left mouse button. So I can able to create a curve in a round portion as how the image looks. In this, I will provide a tip and trick that how many points you're going to create. You can create n number of points, that's not at all a matter, but how many points you're going to create. If the maximum number of points will give maximum smoothness of the object in the output. If you use very less number of points, then the object smoothness won't be as much as good. Just in this for tutorial, I'm creating a very few number of points. If you're working for any project or clients, please make sure to use maximum number of points. So the output of the file will be very good. Here in this particular point, you can able to see the smoothness of the curve is getting distorted. I'm trying to align that. Yeah. So I'll just zoom it out and show the results. This is how I have created the path curve with multiple number of points for the header of this chess coin. If you're creating for any clients and for your projects, please make sure to use maximum number of points, which will have a better smooth of the object. So, and for the time being, I'm just making the video a little bit faster to complete this curve until this end. So guys, as you can see, I have created the path curve for this chess coin over the boundary, and you can see the number of points I have created. So once again, I'm back into the object mode where you can able to see the curve directly. I'm hiding this image as of now, and this is the curve which we have created through the coin. Now just selecting this curve and make sure the curve is always located on the origin point. Okay, in front view as well as in this top view. Okay, bit curve is being aligned. I'm switching to modifier command. I'm adding a modifier. Inside modifier, click on the generate and select the screw option. So in case if it is selected some other axis by default X or Y like this, please make sure to select the correct axis. The axis references you can see in the top, and in this I need to get screw command of this curve over the Z axis. So I'm selecting Z axis and the angle of 360, and steps viewpoint is as of now it is 16. I'm making to 128 and the rendering also has 128. So a bit of smoothness can be increased. So once it is done, I'll just click and apply OK. Once I click on apply OK, it is telling cannot apply constructive modifiers on curve. Convert the curve to mesh in order to apply. Yes. So whenever you are using a curve, it is won't allow you to use it as a modifier. So before using modifier, please change the curve to a mesh command. Select the curve, right click on convert to, and select mesh. So this curve will be converted into a mesh. Now you can add a modifier, generate, and select the curve. Click on add modifier, click on generate, click screw, and 360 degree on Z direction. Steps view as 128, rendering as 128, and you can select apply on this drop down. So now it has been applied. So next I'm going to create a apply material for this. Click on the new material command, selecting black color, and I'll just click OK. I'm moving to the rendering view command to see how it looks. I'll align this light a bit closer to the object. I'll place it here and I'll reduce the height of this. So I'll get a better view for it. Switching to camera mode, I'm selecting the camera, make it orthographic, and the value as I'm entering as 15 or maybe as 12. Yeah, it could be better. Press on G command and align the camera view. So once again, I'm selecting this chess coin. Press Shift D. You can make a copy of this. Just drag it on the top view. I'll just make a little bit closer to this, and I'll press R command based on X axis and rotate it for 90 degrees. Moving to front view, G, Z, drag it to the bottom origin line, and side view, bit to be rotated. G, Z. Yeah, I'm placing a coin as in standing position as well as one is on fallen position. So once again, I'm making to camera view. This is how it looks like. I'm increasing the orthographics imaging view to 14, and I'll increase the intensity of light, power of light to 5000, and a little bit away from the object. So guys, here you can able to see, I'll just unhide the cursor. Here you can able to see this is the process or step-by-step tutorial how to create an object in Blender using a 2D image file. Just import the image file and start to create the outline sketch using a path curve command and convert the curve command to the mesh, and you can use what kind of object you want. Either you can use screw command for the revolving the object, or extrude commands, or how it looks. So guys, if you like this video, please give a like, and you please post your comments, whatever the queries or doubts you have regarding this video. I will definitely answer for that. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Each and every subscribers motivation for me, so that I will post more number of videos and tutorials as with Blender. So guys, we'll learn together and we'll grow together. Bye.